Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 37 of Building the Batmobile from the 1966 classic TV series. In this issue, we're starting the big floor pan. We're putting the big metal plate on. Looking at Hot Off the Grill, season 2, episode 37. It was 20 in each, 30 in each. I can't remember when it changed to season 2. I don't remember that. I thought it was still season 1, but season 2 now, episode 37. There we go. Does it say? No, September, still 1966, but I don't know. There we go. Tetanus has been shot from 1969. And then 71. Going forward through time. All about that. If you want to pause and read all the words, obviously that's what I'm doing this for. But too worried about the background stories. So yes, here we have the big floor panel, which is attached using like a dozen screws, and then it will look a bit like that. So yeah, I won't be doing all of this on camera, but I'll show you how it's going to go and show you what it looks like when the screws are all in. But it's just a bit unwieldy and boring putting the screws in. So let me show you the part and go from there. Yes, so this delivery is a large metal panel, which has got provisions obviously for the power switch and the speaker on it. So that is going to be going onto our main assembly. It goes on the top there like that. So we've got to get that's going to have to come through this way. That's going to go through there. There's basically 6 screws on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The same on the other side, which will hold that in place. They're supplied all the screws, just the one type of screw through that. So what I will do, bury my screwdriver, but you know, from that, let me pull out a couple of the screws, make sure it is going to line up as it should. Yeah, that's going in there, not a problem. So yeah, basically all I've got to do is put in and tighten up a dozen screws, which is not exactly thrilling viewing. I'll get these 6 in this side so I know which ones I've done. And I'll get them tightened up and do the other side as well. That one's not gone in. No, that's not going in. Why is that not going in there? Let's try this one. Not going in either. That's interesting. Got to be lined up properly. Might be the screw that's at fault. That one's gone in there. Try a different screw. That's better. I don't know what the problem with there was. And now I've lost track completely of which ones I've done and which ones I haven't. I think I've done all of them now. That's got a screw in it. That's the one I started with. Yeah, so that's all of that done. I shall do the same on the other side and get them all tightened up. But also in this pack, we have a box. We have a free gift, which, as is tradition with these builds, is indeed a mug. Box. Don't need the bubble wrap, but yeah, that's quite classic. A classic 66 Batman colours and logo. That's quite nice. Most of the mugs you get with these are, as you can see, the back there. Most of them are white and boring. That one's quite nice. The Infinity Gauntlet one was a different style to the others, but yeah, I quite like that. I shall use that to put screws and stuff in, as I generally do. And then I put all the Batman screws in there. And then when I need a screw, because I've lost one, I know which mug to go to get it. So yeah, that's that. I'll get these all done, and that'll be that. There's no point in showing you that. It's going to look exactly the same, just attached. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Next time we're putting the other panel in, and that's the end of this month's delivery. So I shall see you for that very soon. Bye bye for now.